In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the American Government Constitutional Foundations course on Harvard Online and how you can earn an official Harvard certificate step by step. This is one of the most popular government and civics courses offered by Harvard, and the best part is that anyone from anywhere in the world can enroll. If you're interested in politics, law, constitutional history, or simply want a Harvard-certified credential for your resume, this video is for you. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the like button if you find this helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software and education tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Harvard Online website by typing in harvardonline.harvard.edu/course. This is Harvard University's official platform for online courses, so make sure you're on the correct website. Once the page loads, you'll see a list of available courses and a search option. In the search bar, type in American Government Constitutional Foundations. As you start typing, the course should appear in the results. Click on the course to open its dedicated page. On this page, you'll find a full overview of the course, including what topics are covered, the learning objectives, the course length, workload, and who the instructors are. Take a moment to scroll through and read the details so you understand exactly what you'll be learning. This course focuses on the foundations of American government, the U.S. Constitution, and how political institutions work, all taught by Harvard faculty. When you're ready to move forward, look for the Enroll button on the course page and click on it. You'll now be prompted to either sign in or create an account. If you already have a Harvard Online account, simply log in. If not, you'll need to create one by entering your basic details like your name, email address, and a password. Once your account is set up, continue with the enrollment process. Next, you'll be asked to choose your enrollment option. Depending on availability, you may see options for audit access or a verified certificate track. If your goal is to become Harvard certified, make sure you select the option that includes the official certificate. After selecting the certificate option, you'll be taken to the payment page. Here, fill in your payment details and complete the checkout process. Once the payment is successful, you'll be officially enrolled in the course. You can now access all the course materials, including video lectures, readings, assignments, and quizzes. As you progress through the course, make sure to complete all required modules and assessments. The course is self-paced in most cases, so you can learn on your own schedule, which is perfect if you're balancing work or studies. After you successfully complete all the course requirements, Harvard will issue your official certificate. This certificate can be downloaded, shared online, or added to your resume and LinkedIn profile to showcase your achievement. And that's it. You've now learned how to access the American Government Constitutional Foundations course on Harvard Online and earn a Harvard certificate. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.